So we already know that Lenovo is going to launch a new gaming phone soon named the Legion Y90 in China, and that phone is also coming to the global market as the Legion 3 Pro and Legion 3 Elite. Now I have already talked about that phone in two of my previous videos, but in this video let us talk about another gaming centric device that Lenovo has planned to launch soon. This one is a gaming tablet and it is named the Legion Y700 in China. As for the launch date, we are expecting it to launch on the 28th of this month, as Lenovo has already announced an event that day where it is going to launch some new devices. Today some sources on Weibo shared the details of this tablet along with the hands-on images, so we suppose that some sort of embargo got lifted. Speaking of the design, this tablet does not look any special when compared to any other tablet in the market. So there are no RGB lights or patterns on the back, and all we get is a single camera that is placed on the top left corner. The tablet does have a button on the side that can be used to enable the game mode. But apart from that, there is nothing special in terms of the design. Now because it is a gaming tablet, you expect a high-end flagship SoC. The Legion Y700 does not have the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or even the Snapdragon 888 or 888 Plus of last year. Instead, it has the Snapdragon 870 chipset. Now that is not a bad thing, because as we know, Snapdragon 870 is a much better chipset when it comes to sustaining the peak performance over longer period of time when compared to the latest Snapdragon chipsets. Also, maybe Lenovo wanted to keep the pricing of this tablet lower. Because of the size of this tablet, the cooling system underneath also covers a much larger area at around 8500 mm square. So high temperatures are not going to be an issue with this tablet for sure. This chip is paired with 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage that is also expandable. The display on the front is an 8.8-inch 2K 120Hz LCD with HDR10 and Dolby Vision support. For a better haptic experience, the Legion Y700 also has two X-axis linear motors. There are stereo speakers tuned by JBL, and the 3.5mm headphone jack is on the top. The Type-C port is a USB 3.1 Gen 2 port which theoretically supports speeds up to 10 gigabits per second. And finally, the tablet has a pretty decent 6550 mAh battery with support for 45W fast charging. It runs on Android 11 out of the box. As of now, we do not know at what price the Lenovo Legion Y700 is launching. Moreover, there is also no information on whether this tablet will launch outside of Chinese market like the Legion Y90 gaming phone. Anyways, what do you think of this gaming tablet by Lenovo? Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.